topic is that I'll just quickly do this. So avidya is actually ignorance. Okay. Asmita is the ego or the I sense. Rag is like. Dvesh is dislike. And abhinivesh is fears. Okay. When we talk about the spiritual realm, what yoga is saying is that we are actually the spirit. We are not the body. But the mind, the ego, always will tell you, I am the body. My leg, I am suffering this. Okay. And then if you see, we constantly talk, I like this, I don't like this. I like this. We are always slaves of our likes and dislikes. And most of the things what we have, the negative emotions, is because, oh, I didn't like what you said. Oh, why did you say this? Oh, I love this movie. You know, like if you see, we are constantly getting into this pleasure, pain, and this cycle. So when, like, for example, like I'll just say, because the theme here was a little bit of a grief, just making it, and fear of losing someone and all those things, it is like because you like that person. Because if you like that person, and then attaching that I sense that, oh, like kind of my daughter or my son and all that stuff. Okay. Now what it talks is that if you look at the universal picture and the connectedness, and we all are connected by the spirit, then the whole idea is that actually these are the God's children and we are just the caretaker. Okay. So when we step ourselves into that kind of wisdom and give up this I sense, then our grief, our pain, our suffering is lesser. So that is what always yoga talks about. We can go on and on, but I just wanted to bring this concept. We can dive in more with more examples. I know it is a little tough and hard, but just wanted to bring in that just learn to think beyond I. Even if you get this message that I all the time, you know, like it's just we, and we means like me and the cosmic powers or God or whatever. And finally, I'll just tell you one story, that there was one, like generally all fathers love their daughters, and they were playing in the garden, and there was a huge stone, and the father just told the daughter that just push it, you know. So the daughter was very enthusiastic. She was pushing the stone, and the father said, you know, Dina, just push with all your strength. And she was telling, I'm putting all my strength, Papa, I'm putting all my strength. And then, so use all your strength. And then she was pushing hard. But then, you know what the father said? You've forgotten that I am also a part of your strength. You know, and that's what happens with us in life, that we think that I have to do everything, but we forget the concept that who is your strength today? Just go and look out. Who is your strength? There are so many people around you. There is a community. There are people. So just don't think and narrow down that to I. You know, just keep your mind open, eyes open, and go to this concept. And there is something which is what is an invisible force, what we call the God or the superpower or the cosmic power. That is the biggest strength actually, which we don't tap into. And the way we can tap into is breath work and meditation. So make that also part of your life.